Did you know that hepatic steatosis, more commonly known as fatty liver, affects millions of people around the world? But here's the good news: it is possible to reverse this condition, and the key may lie on your plate. Today, on Health Dose, we'll delve into the fascinating world of cardiology and nutrition to uncover the 5 best foods that fight liver fat. And make no mistake, because we'll also reveal the 5 worst, the ones you should avoid at all costs. Imagine your liver as a superhero, working day and night to keep your body healthy. Now, think about how certain foods can be your best allies or your worst enemies. Are you ready to discover what they are? Let's start with a food that you might already have in your kitchen, but you have no idea about its incredible power against steatosis. But wait, do you know exactly what liver fat is and how it develops? Let's take a brief dive into this topic to understand better. Liver fat occurs when your liver starts accumulating excess fat, which can lead to inflammation and even permanent damage. And what many people don't know is that. Now, back to the foods. The second on our list is a true warrior in the fight against liver fat. It may be small, but its impact on your health is enormous. Before revealing what it is, let's talk about a food you should avoid. You've probably heard that it's healthy, but when it comes to liver fat, the story is different. And so, we continue, alternating between the heroes and villains of your diet, uncovering how simple changes can make a huge difference in your health. Don't miss the upcoming revelations, and stay tuned. The 5th food on our heroes list is something you would never expect to find there. Surprised? Then keep reading with us and learn more about taking care of your liver and your heart. Hepatic steatosis, commonly known as fatty liver, is a condition characterized by the excessive accumulation of fat in liver cells. This condition is often associated with risk factors such as obesity, diabetes, high alcohol intake, and some metabolic disorders. In medical terms, there are 2 main types of hepatic steatosis: alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Alcoholic hepatic steatosis is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, which damages the liver and leads to fat accumulation. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is the more common form, unrelated to alcohol consumption, often linked to obesity and insulin resistance. The liver is a crucial organ for nutrient metabolism and detoxification in the body. When liver cells begin to accumulate large amounts of fat, this process can be disrupted. Initially, hepatic steatosis may be asymptomatic or present with mild symptoms such as fatigue or right upper abdominal pain. However, if left untreated, it can progress to more severe conditions such as steatohepatitis, inflammation of the liver, fibrosis, scar tissue formation, and eventually cirrhosis or even liver cancer. Diagnosis is typically made through blood tests, ultrasound, or other imaging techniques. In some cases, a liver biopsy may be necessary. Treatment primarily focuses on lifestyle changes such as weight loss, a healthy diet, and physical exercise. For cases related to alcohol, abstinence is crucial. Medications may be prescribed to treat associated conditions, such as diabetes or high cholesterol, which contribute to the disease's progression. Therefore, hepatic steatosis is a serious condition, but with lifestyle changes and appropriate treatment, it is possible to control and even reverse its effects. With that understanding, let's begin with the 5 best foods to combat liver fat, and then we'll discuss the 5 worst foods, which you should avoid if you don't want complications. The first food is fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, trout, and sardines, top the list of the best foods to combat hepatic steatosis. These types of fish are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in liver health. In medicine, omega-3 fatty acids are valued for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to improve lipid profiles in the blood. In the case of hepatic steatosis, these benefits are especially relevant. Omega-3 helps reduce the amount of fat accumulated in the liver and also combats inflammation, which is one of the main factors contributing to the progression of liver disease. Furthermore, studies show that regular consumption of fatty fish can improve liver enzyme levels in people with steatosis. This means the liver is functioning better and with less stress, which is crucial to prevent the progression of the disease to more serious conditions like steatohepatitis and cirrhosis. Another point to highlight is that fatty fish are a source of high-quality protein,
what I shared so far has resonated
which is important
with you,
for
I have something
overall
special
health and
that will
supporting
interest
liver
you.
function.
Don't miss the opportunity to
It's
transform
advisable
your life
to
and
include
start
these
living
types
your
of
healthiest
fish in your
self today.
diet regularly,
By acquiring
but
the
always
ebook
consider
Secrets
the
to
source and
Unshakable
quality
Health.
of the
You
fish
will have
to
a guide
avoid
with
exposure
practical
to toxins
proven
and
strategies
pollutants
for
that
living
can
a
be
longer,
harmful to health.
disease-free life. Click on the link
Stepping
in
in
the
as
first
the
pinned
second
comment
hero
and
food
discover
in
the
the fight
path
against
to lasting
hepatic
and robust
steatosis,
health.
we have walnuts. This nut is a true treasure trove of benefits for liver health, thanks to its rich nutritional composition. Walnuts are notable for their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, similar to fatty fish. These fatty acids are essential in reducing inflammation in the body, including in the liver. For patients with steatosis, inflammation is a significant issue as it can lead to more severe liver damage. Therefore, regular consumption of walnuts can be an effective strategy to mitigate this risk. In addition to omega-3, walnuts are also rich in antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, a factor that contributes to liver deterioration and the progression of hepatic steatosis. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage, including liver cells. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid that plays a role in the urea cycle, helping detoxify the liver and promote overall liver health. Additionally, they are sources of fiber, which aids in digestion and weight control, two important factors in managing hepatic steatosis. Including walnuts in your diet is a delicious and practical way to support your liver. Whether as a snack between meals, added to salads, or as part of main dishes, walnuts are versatile and beneficial, making them a smart choice for those seeking to care for their liver health. Moving on to the third hero food in the journey against hepatic steatosis, we have avocados. Known for being a rich source of healthy fats, avocados stand out in the nutritional landscape for their beneficial properties for the liver. Rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, avocados help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, levels and increase HDL, good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for liver health, as elevated cholesterol is a risk factor for hepatic steatosis. Additionally, avocados are packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and maintaining a healthy body weight. Obesity and excess weight are significant risk factors for hepatic steatosis, and fiber can help control appetite and reduce the risk of these conditions. Avocado is also an excellent source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protects liver cells against oxidative damage. The fourth food on the list is coffee. Surprisingly, coffee has been recognized for its positive effects on liver health. Studies show that regular coffee consumption can help reduce the risk of developing hepatic steatosis. This is partly due to the antioxidants present in coffee, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Furthermore, coffee appears to have a protective effect on liver cells, helping to slow down the progression of hepatic fibrosis in people with steatosis. Caffeine, one of the primary components of coffee, also plays a significant role as it is associated with reducing abnormal liver enzyme levels, an indicator of improved liver health. It's important to note, however, that coffee consumption should be moderate and integrated into a healthy lifestyle to obtain these benefits. And now, revealing the fifth and final hero food in the fight against hepatic steatosis, broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is not only a healthy side dish for your meals but also a powerful ally for your liver health. Broccoli stands out for its high concentration of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds, including sulforaphane, have been linked to reducing fat accumulation in the liver and protecting against liver damage. In studies, sulforaphane has been shown to be effective in reducing oxidative stress and improving liver function, which are critical aspects in managing hepatic steatosis. Additionally, broccoli is rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and weight control, helping combat obesity, a significant risk factor for hepatic steatosis. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is vital because insulin resistance and diabetes are commonly associated conditions with hepatic steatosis. Including broccoli in your diet is an effective way to provide your body with essential nutrients for maintaining liver health, in addition to being a delicious option for a balanced diet. With that, we conclude our list of the top 5 foods to reverse fatty liver. But the journey to a healthy liver doesn't end here. Next, we will explore the 5 worst foods for liver fat, those you should avoid to keep your liver in optimal condition. Stay tuned, as some of these food choices may surprise you. Starting our list of the 5 worst foods for those looking to reverse fatty liver, the first group to be highlighted is foods high in saturated and trans fats. These include fast food, fried foods, and many processed products. Saturated and trans fats are harmful to liver health as they contribute to increased levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and reduced levels of good cholesterol, HDL. This imbalance can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, exacerbating the condition of fatty liver. Moreover, these fats promote inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage liver cells and worsen liver health. The second food, or rather, group of beverages to avoid are alcoholic drinks. Alcohol consumption is one of the main causes of alcoholic fatty liver, but even in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver, alcohol can be harmful. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver, where it can cause direct damage to liver cells. This not only worsens liver fat, but can also lead to inflammation and scarring, fibrosis, increasing the risk of cirrhosis and liver cancer. Even moderate amounts of alcohol can have a significant impact on the progression of fatty liver, so reducing or eliminating it from your diet is highly recommended for liver health. Moving on to the third item on our list of the 5 worst foods to reverse fatty liver, it includes sodas and other sugary beverages. These drinks are extremely harmful to the liver due to their high sugar content, especially fructose. When consumed in excess, fructose can overwhelm the liver, leading to fat accumulation and exacerbating fatty liver. Additionally, excessive sugar consumption contributes to weight gain and obesity, significant risk factors for fatty liver. The high calorie content and lack of nutrients in these drinks can also lead to dietary imbalance, further harming liver health. The fourth group of foods to be avoided are red and processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and salami. These products are high in saturated fats and, in the case of processed meats, preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can be harmful to the liver. Excessive consumption of red and processed meats has been associated with an increased risk of fatty liver development, in addition to contributing to inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Preferring lean meats, such as chicken breast or fish, and reducing the consumption of red and processed meats are important measures for improving liver health and combating fatty liver. Arriving at the fifth item on the list of the worst foods for those looking to reverse fatty liver, we find sweets and desserts high in refined sugar and trans fats. These foods are extremely harmful to liver health due to their high concentration of simple sugars and unhealthy fats. From a medical standpoint, excessive consumption of refined sugar can lead to fat accumulation in the liver. This occurs because the liver is the primary organ responsible for metabolizing sugar, and when overloaded, it begins to convert excess sugar into fat. This process not only increases fat deposits in the liver but also contributes to insulin resistance, a key risk factor for non-alcoholic fatty liver. Furthermore, trans fats, often found in processed desserts, cakes, cookies, and other sweets, are known to increase LDL, bad cholesterol, levels and decrease HDL, good cholesterol levels. This imbalance in lipid profile can worsen fatty liver, leading to a higher risk of inflammation and liver damage. Therefore, to maintain liver health and assist in reversing fatty liver, it is essential to limit the consumption of these foods rich in refined sugar and trans fats, opting for healthier and natural alternatives to satisfy sweet cravings. And thus, we come to the end of our video here at Health Dose, where we explored the ways to cleanse liver fat, highlighting the top 5 foods to reverse fatty liver and the 5 worst ones to be avoided. We emphasized the importance of fatty fish, nuts, avocado, coffee, and broccoli in your diet to combat fatty liver. And, of course, the need to avoid foods high in saturated and trans fats, alcoholic beverages, sodas, processed red meats, and sweets rich in refined sugar and trans fats. Remember, taking care of your liver is taking care of your heart and your overall health. The dietary choices we make have a direct impact on our well-being and disease prevention. We hope the information shared today is useful on your journey to a healthier life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with friends and family who can also benefit from this information. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so to not miss any of our content on health and cardiology. Your health is our top priority here at Health Dose. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.